Miss Universe is India.
Believe yourself. Just believe yourself. Your skill, your talent, that makes you the hero. So I think a person should be recognized on the basis of his or her talent rather than being just famous. So it's about how talented you are from inside.
Have you ever been bullied in school for something?
Yes, body shamed for being too thin and just the way I look. So I think it's not the walls who decide the vibes, it's about us. So for me, it's not about the home needs to be very pretty or modern, it's about the people who are living in that house.
Life is very simple. It's us who makes it complicated. For me, it's not how much the followers are increasing. For me, it's about even if there's one more person who is adding and following me, I have to be more concerned about whatever I'm sharing. It should be very inspiring and influencing, because that's why, for me, that's why social media is made. To uplift people, to make them feel comfortable, the background they come from, or anything that they believe in. And this is what I'm focusing on through social media. So I'm grateful that whoever is joining through in my social media and they want to know what I am doing through my journey, to inspire them कि अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हो. And मैं उससे कभी distract नहीं होती हूँ क्योंकि ये सब कुछ temporary है. आपका जो behavior, आपका जो attitude है वो हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा, वो ही आपको जगह पे लेके बहुत जगहें लेके जाएगा.
My only message or advice to the youth would be that it will be difficult for them to understand the whole process of what they want to do in their life, because that's not easy, you know. I mean, age is just a number, it's nothing. You will take a lot of time to think what you want to do. But with your family support, everything comes easy, because they are the ones who will help you the best in decision-making power. It's something that comes along with our responsibilities and duties. You know, we know what we want to do in our life. It's basic survival. Climate change is also important for us. If we really want to see our future, we need to live in present and save our present, and make sure that all the details, the small habits that we do, we need to change those with eco-friendly resources, put pressures on businesses so that they provide us, you know, some eco-friendly anything that is, you know, friendly to the environment. And that comes when each one of us decide to change it from right now.
For your own survival, आपको climate को बचाना पड़ेगा. And especially to everyone out there who's watching this, if you really want to celebrate this big win of universe that India has won the Miss Universe crown after 21 years, you need to save the universe, and it starts from now. So छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हम सोचते हैं ना कि इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा, उससे ही पूरा भविष्य का फ़र्क पड़ेगा. And we need to live in present. We need to change the present. Then only we can change the whole future. I actually don't expect anything from anyone. Look, I have my own expectations with myself, but I was not expecting so much love, and that's very overwhelming for me. Money is never enough. Love is never enough. Different emotions are never enough. It's about us, what we believe is our priority. For me, love is never enough. And apart from that, money comes. And it's my perspective. I think the love is the most priority thing in my life. Then only I can build money, I can build career and all of different things. Because for me, it's all about having a warm heart, and you can get everything in this world. Absolutely, I do. I didn't make it in Femina when I was in 2019, and I was crying that why did this happen to me? But it's good. Everything happens for a reason. I didn't make it. I came back again and I won the crown.
पर अगर आप अपने आप से ट्रू रहो और आपके इंटेंशंस प्योर हो और आपको पता हो अपनी ज़िंदगी में क्या करना चाहते हो, तो आप विजेता हो. आपको किसी की भी ज़रूरत नहीं कि आपको वो खिताब दे. तो मैंने हमेशा से ही ऐसी रही हूँ कि जैसे मैं मानती हूँ, हमेशा मैं सबको बताती रहती हूँ. एक पंजाबी जो है, जो मेरे रूट्स में है कनेक्टेड, तो मैं वैसे ही जेन्युइनली आई वेंट ऑन द स्टेज. और जो मैं यकीन मानती हूँ कि एक एडवाइस यूथ एज बीइंग द यूथ ऑफ माय कंट्री, मुझे जो लगता है कि हमें ये एडवाइस देनी चाहिए, जो मैं देखती हूँ अपने सराउंडिंग में, मैंने सोचा और मैंने वो बोल दिया. तो जो सब कुछ था वो दिल से था. तो आई थिंक जब आप दिल से कोई बात करते हो तो आप सबके दिल जीतते हो. दिल जीतते हो तो फिर सब कुछ. This is my ultimate appeal to the youth globally, that you need to play a more active role in your political, economic or social system, because you are the change, and if you really want to bring that change, do it from now, learn what it is and what we can do. And along with that, climate change is one of the important aspects. I think it just comes the time you're born. It's nothing that you need to be taught about something. जैसे आपको पता है कि आप खाना खाओगे, आपको पता है कि आपकी priorities है, वैसे ही आपको पता होना चाहिए आपकी duty है. That comes, that's very important for you to understand. क्योंकि the ultimate motto of being on that stage is to be impactful. कि जो भी वो देख रहा है उनको कुछ wisdom मिले, उनको कुछ insights मिले, उनको भी कुछ realize हो, क्योंकि बहुत hope से वो देखते हैं कि हम भी उस stage पे जाना चाहते हैं. We also want to be on that stage. We also want to say something. So whatever we say, they are getting influenced by that. I was so happy when they asked me climate change question. I was like, okay, now this is my time to talk about something which is very serious, and it is right now that we need to change the whole process of resources and our choices. And जो वही बात जो मेरे दिल में था मैंने ऐसे बोल दी. तो I think मैंने बहुत genuinely बोला है rather than saying something which is very theoretical. Being practical is what I believe in. I have always been like that. Do what you want to do in your life and just get it. You know, just achieve your goals. That is the ultimate meaning of Chaktiapatti in my dictionary.
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.